Welcome to a new era in agriculture, where technology is transforming the way we grow our food. Today, farming is no longer just about soil and seeds, it's about data innovation and efficiency. From small family farms to large-scale operations, technology is making a significant impact. In this video, we'll explore how modern tools and digital advancements are changing the face of agriculture, making it more productive, sustainable, and resilient. Let's begin our journey into the world of high-tech farming and discover the incredible changes happening right now. Precision agriculture is at the forefront of this technological revolution. By using GPS, sensors, and data analytics, farmers can now monitor their fields with incredible accuracy. This means they can apply water, fertilizers, and pesticides exactly where they're needed, reducing waste and improving crop yields. The shift to precision farming not only saves money, but also helps protect the environment by minimizing the overuse of resources. It's a win-win for both farmers and the planet, setting a new standard for efficiency in agriculture. Drones have become an essential tool for modern farmers. These flying devices can quickly scan large fields, capturing detailed images and data that would take hours to collect on foot. With drones, farmers can spot crop diseases, monitor plant health, and even assess soil conditions from above. This bird's-eye view allows for faster decision-making and more targeted interventions, ultimately leading to healthier crops and higher yields. The use of drones is just one example of how technology is making farming smarter and more efficient. Smart sensors are revolutionizing the way farmers manage their crops. These tiny devices are placed throughout fields to measure soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels in real time. With this information, farmers can make precise decisions about when and how much to irrigate or fertilize. This not only conserves water and resources, but also ensures that crops receive exactly what they need to thrive. Smart sensors are helping to create a more sustainable and productive agricultural system. Automation is taking over many traditional farming tasks. Tractors and harvesters equipped with advanced software can now operate with minimal human intervention. These machines follow pre-programmed routes, plant seeds, and harvest crops with incredible precision. Automation not only reduces labor costs but also increases productivity and safety on the farm. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated machines to take on complex agricultural tasks. Data is playing a crucial role in modern agriculture. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of information from sensors, drones, and machinery, farmers can gain valuable insights into their operations. This data-driven approach helps them make better decisions about planting, irrigation, and crop protection. With big data, farmers can predict trends, identify problems early, and optimize every aspect of their business. The result is a more efficient and profitable farm. Cloud computing allows farmers to store and access their data from anywhere at any time. This technology makes it easier to manage farm operations, track inventory, and collaborate with other stakeholders. By using cloud-based platforms, farmers can integrate information from multiple sources and make informed decisions quickly. Cloud computing is making agriculture more connected and responsive, paving the way for smarter farming practices. Mobile apps have become indispensable tools for farmers around the world. These apps provide real-time weather updates, market prices, and crop management tips right at their fingertips. With just a smartphone, farmers can monitor their fields, track equipment, and even connect with buyers. Mobile technology is bridging the gap between traditional farming and the digital age, empowering farmers to make smarter decisions and improve their livelihoods. Internet of Things, or IoT, is connecting devices and systems across the farm. From automated irrigation systems to livestock trackers, IoT devices collect and share data seamlessly. This interconnected network allows farmers to monitor every aspect of their operation in real time, leading to faster responses and better outcomes. IoT is making farms smarter, more efficient, and more adaptable to changing conditions. Robots are no longer just a thing of science fiction, they're working on farms today. Agricultural robots can plant seeds, weed fields, and even pick fruits and vegetables. These machines are designed to handle repetitive tasks with speed and accuracy, freeing up farmers to focus on more complex work. Robotics is helping to address labor shortages and improve efficiency, making farming more sustainable for the future. Artificial intelligence is bringing a new level of intelligence to agriculture. AI-powered systems can analyze data, predict crop yields, and even identify pests and diseases before they spread. By learning from patterns and trends, AI helps farmers make better decisions and optimize their operations. The use of AI is transforming farming into a high-tech industry, where data and algorithms drive success. Satellites orbiting high above the Earth are now helping farmers keep an eye on their crops. Satellite imagery provides detailed information about plant health, soil moisture, and field conditions over large areas. This technology allows farmers to spot problems early and take action before they become serious. Satellite monitoring is making it possible to manage farms more effectively, even from miles away. Genetic engineering is enabling the development of crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh weather. By modifying the genetic makeup of plants, scientists can create varieties that grow faster, yield more, and require fewer chemicals. This technology is helping to ensure food security and reduce the environmental impact of farming. Genetic engineering is a powerful tool in the quest for sustainable agriculture. Hydroponics and vertical farming are changing the way we grow food, especially in urban areas. These methods use technology to grow plants without soil, often in stacked layers indoors. By controlling light, temperature, and nutrients, farmers can produce fresh vegetables year-round using less water and space. Hydroponics and vertical farming are making agriculture possible in places where traditional farming is difficult. Technology is playing a key role in making farming more sustainable. From precision irrigation to renewable energy, farmers are adopting new tools to reduce their environmental footprint. Sustainable practices help conserve resources, protect biodiversity, and ensure that agriculture can continue to feed the world for generations to come. Technology is making it easier for farmers to balance productivity with environmental responsibility. Efficient water use is critical in agriculture, and technology is providing new solutions. Advanced irrigation systems such as drip and sprinkler technologies deliver water directly to plant roots, minimizing waste. Sensors and software help farmers monitor soil moisture and weather conditions, ensuring that crops get just the right amount of water. These innovations are helping to conserve water and improve crop yields, especially in regions facing drought. Many farms are turning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. Solar panels and wind turbines provide clean, sustainable energy for running equipment, irrigation systems, and even powering electric vehicles. By investing in renewable energy, farmers are lowering their costs and reducing their carbon footprint, contributing to a greener future for agriculture. Technology is also transforming livestock management. Wearable devices and sensors track animal health, movement, and behavior, allowing farmers to detect illnesses early and provide better care. Automated feeding systems ensure that animals receive the right nutrition at the right time. These innovations are improving animal welfare and increasing the efficiency of livestock operations. Blockchain technology is bringing transparency and traceability to the food supply chain. By recording every step of a product's journey from farm to table, blockchain helps ensure food safety and quality. Consumers can trace the origin of their food, while farmers and distributors can track shipments and payments securely. Blockchain is building trust and efficiency in the agricultural industry. E-commerce platforms are opening up new markets for farmers. By selling their products online, farmers can reach more customers and get better prices for their goods. These platforms also provide valuable information about demand and pricing trends. E-commerce is helping to level the playing field, giving small farmers access to the same opportunities as larger producers. Digital marketplaces are connecting farmers directly with buyers, cutting out the middleman. These platforms make it easier to negotiate prices, arrange deliveries, and build long-term relationships. By streamlining the sales process, digital marketplaces are helping farmers increase their profits and reduce waste. Technology is making the agricultural market more efficient and transparent. Technology is optimizing every step of the agricultural supply chain. From automated warehouses to real-time tracking systems, farmers and distributors can monitor the movement of goods from field to store. This reduces delays, prevents spoilage, and ensures that fresh products reach consumers quickly. Supply chain optimization is making agriculture more reliable and responsive to market demands. Accurate weather forecasting is essential for successful farming. Advanced weather models and forecasting tools help farmers plan their activities from planting to harvesting. By anticipating storms, droughts, and temperature changes, farmers can take proactive measures to protect their crops. Technology is making weather forecasting more precise, helping farmers adapt to changing conditions. Remote sensing technology allows farmers to analyze soil conditions without physically sampling every part of their fields. Using satellites and sensors, they can assess soil health, moisture, and nutrient levels from a distance. This information helps farmers make better decisions about fertilization and crop rotation, leading to healthier soils and higher yields. Farm management software is helping farmers organize every aspect of their operations. These digital tools track planting schedules, inventory, finances, and equipment maintenance. By centralizing information, farm management software makes it easier to plan, monitor, and optimize farm activities. This leads to better decision-making and increased productivity. Digital payment systems are making it easier for farmers to manage their finances. Mobile banking and online payment platforms allow for quick and secure transactions, reducing the need for cash. These systems also provide access to loans and financial services, helping farmers invest in new technology and grow their businesses. Online education platforms are providing farmers with access to the latest research techniques and best practices. Through webinars, videos, and virtual workshops, farmers can learn new skills and stay updated on industry trends. Technology is making agricultural education more accessible, helping farmers improve their knowledge and adapt to new challenges. Social media platforms are connecting farmers with each other and with consumers. By sharing experiences, tips, and success stories, farmers can learn from one another and build supportive communities. Social media also helps farmers market their products and engage with customers directly. Technology is making agriculture more social and collaborative. Governments around the world are supporting the adoption of technology in agriculture through grants, subsidies, and policy initiatives. These efforts help farmers invest in new tools and stay competitive in a rapidly changing industry. By encouraging innovation, governments are ensuring that agriculture remains a vital part of the economy and food supply. While technology offers many benefits, there are also challenges to adoption. High costs, lack of technical knowledge, and limited internet access can make it difficult for some farmers to implement new tools. Addressing these barriers is essential to ensure that all farmers can benefit from technological advancements and contribute to a more sustainable food system. Efforts are underway to bridge the digital divide in agriculture. Training programs, affordable technology solutions, and improved internet infrastructure are helping more farmers access the tools they need. By making technology more accessible, we can ensure that the benefits of innovation reach every corner of the agricultural sector. Future of farming is bright. thanks to ongoing technological innovation. As new tools and techniques continue to emerge, farmers will be able to produce more food with fewer resources. The integration of artificial intelligence, robotics, and data analytics will drive even greater efficiency and sustainability. The next generation of farmers will be digital natives, ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities of modern agriculture. Technology is having a global impact on agriculture, improving food security and livelihoods around the world. From smallholder farmers in developing countries to large commercial operations, agri-tech is helping to increase productivity, reduce waste, and adapt to climate change. The spread of technology is making agriculture more inclusive and resilient, benefiting people and communities everywhere. Women are playing an increasingly important role in the adoption and development of agricultural technology. By participating in training programs and leading innovation, women are helping to shape the future of farming. Empowering women in agri-tech leads to more diverse perspectives and better outcomes for the entire industry. Young people are bringing fresh ideas and digital skills to agriculture. By embracing technology, the next generation of farmers is making agriculture more dynamic and appealing. Youth involvement in agri-tech is essential for driving innovation and ensuring the long-term success of the industry. Technology is enabling farmers to collaborate and share resources through digital networks. These platforms facilitate knowledge exchange, equipment sharing, and joint marketing efforts. Collaborative farming networks are strengthening rural communities and making agriculture more efficient and resilient. Environmental monitoring tools help farmers track weather patterns, soil health, and water quality. By collecting and analyzing this data, farmers can make informed decisions that protect natural resources and promote sustainability. Technology is giving farmers the tools they need to be good stewards of the land. Technology is making it easier to detect and manage pests and diseases in crops. Early warning systems, remote sensors, and AI-powered analysis help farmers identify problems quickly and take targeted action. This reduces crop losses and minimizes the need for chemical treatments, leading to healthier food and a safer environment. Ensuring food safety and quality is a top priority for farmers and consumers alike. Technology is helping to monitor and control every stage of food production, from planting to processing. Sensors, data analytics, and blockchain systems track food quality and safety, reducing the risk of contamination and recalls. Food waste is a major challenge in agriculture, but technology is helping to address the problem. Smart storage systems, supply chain tracking, and digital marketplaces help ensure that food gets from farm to table efficiently. By reducing waste, technology is helping to feed more people and make agriculture more sustainable. Climate change is creating new challenges for farmers, but technology is providing solutions. Weather forecasting, drought-resistant crops, and precision irrigation help farmers adapt to changing conditions. By leveraging technology, agriculture can become more resilient and continue to provide food for a growing population. Urban farming is on the rise thanks to technological innovations. Rooftop gardens, hydroponic systems, and vertical farms are bringing fresh produce to city dwellers. These methods use less land and water, making it possible to grow food in densely populated areas. Urban farming is helping to create greener, healthier cities. Technology is helping consumers learn more about where their food comes from. QR codes, apps, and online platforms provide information about farming practices, sustainability, and food safety. This increased transparency is building trust between farmers and consumers, encouraging more responsible food choices. Startups are driving innovation in agricultural technology. By developing new tools, apps, and systems, these companies are helping farmers solve real-world problems. Startups bring fresh ideas and agile solutions, accelerating the adoption of technology across the industry. Their contributions are shaping the future of farming. As we've seen, technology is revolutionizing every aspect of farming, from planting and harvesting to marketing and sales. By embracing innovation, farmers are building a more productive, sustainable, and resilient agricultural system. The journey is just beginning, and the future holds even more exciting possibilities. Together, technology and agriculture are shaping a better world for everyone.